Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ron Galam, and today I'm excited to show you one of my hottest listings in Woodland Hills. Whether you're a buyer, investor, or a homeowner contemplating selling, this walkthrough will give you real insight of what these opportunities look like in today's market. Make sure to hit subscribe for more exclusive tours, off-market deals, and expert insight into the Los Angeles real estate market. Now, let's jump right into the tour.
So we are touring 22935 Sylvan Street, located in Walnut Acres in Woodland Hills. This property features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a pool, and a 3-car garage. The exposed ceiling beams you see are a result of a prior water leak that was fully fixed and remediated by the home insurance company and just needed to be closed up. The gallery kitchen was fully renovated and customized just a few years ago. It has a quartz countertop, beautiful pantry with appliances included. Additional upgrades include vinyl windows, recessed lighting, some new moldings, flooring, and much more. Bathrooms are remodeled throughout the property, and all of the bedrooms are located upstairs, including a remodeled primary suite which has its own fireplace. The primary master bathroom is also fully remodeled. It was done tastefully with beautiful stone as well. The backyard spans over 14,600 square feet and features a heated PebbleTech pool along with a permitted pool house that just needs a few cosmetic finishing touches. For open house date and times, I've included a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.